This is my favorite price action on TradingView. Whether you're a professional trader or a beginner, this indicator can be helpful. By the end of this video, I'll explain why I love this price action indicator. So let's jump straight into it. Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, I want to show you my favorite price action indicator on TradingView. If you are new to this channel, you can click subscribe button below and hit the bell. So when we upload a new video, you will get a notification. Now let's get started. Indicator explained. We need two indicators. The first indicator is called Trend Line with Breaks, Lux Algo, by Lux Algo. This indicator is truly powerful as it automatically detects breakout points in the price. For instance, in a bullish breakout, when the price crosses and closes above the green line, the indicator will generate a buy signal below the price. The same principle applies to bearish breakouts. The second indicator is called Exponential Moving Average. The Exponential Moving Average, EMA, serves as a tool to determine the trend direction. When the price action is above the EMA, it indicates an uptrend, while if the price action is below the EMA, it suggests a downtrend. By observing the relationship between the price and the EMA, we can gain insight into the prevailing trend. Now I will teach you how to set up the indicator. How to install the indicator? You need a TradingView account to use this strategy. Click link in description below and sign up for a free account. Now go to product and you will see the market chart. Click on it. Choose the currency pair and set the time frame to 5-minute time frame. You can go on indicator menu at the top, search trend line with breaks Lux Algo by Lux Algo, and select it. Once selected, you need to adjust some settings. On the input settings, modify the length to 24 and the slope to 1.6. Don't forget to check the Show Only Confirm Breakouts option. Now let's add the second indicator. Go back to the indicator menu and search for Exponential Moving Average. Click on it to select it. To customize the settings, change the length to 200. In terms of style, make the EMA color yellow and adjust the line to be more visible. Now our setup is ready. Let's see and learn how to use this trading setup. Before we continue, I wanted to share some information with you. I have a free VIP signal group where you can receive trading signals. Here are some screenshots of my VIP members. If you are interested in joining, feel free to ask me on Telegram. You can find the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's take a look at this example of a buy transaction on the chart. We observe that the price is positioned above the 200 EMA, indicating an uptrend. Furthermore, there is a bullish breakout, with the indicator generating a buy signal below the price. Based on this setup, you can consider entering a long position. It is recommended to set the stop loss at the recent swing low to protect against potential downside risk. The take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk, resulting in a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. On this scenario, the transaction reaches the take profit level, meaning that the trade successfully achieved the desired profit target. Now, let's take a look at an example of a sell transaction on the chart. We can observe that the price action has closed below the 200 EMA, indicating a downtrend. Additionally, the indicator has issued a sell signal, indicating a bearish breakout. Given this setup, you can consider entering a short position. It is advisable to set the stop loss at the recent swing high to manage potential losses. The take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk, resulting in a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. In this particular case, the transaction reaches the take profit level, indicating that the trade successfully achieves the desired profit target. We are using TraderEdge to do a backtest. TraderEdge is the best backtesting web application because it's very easy to use. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on their competition. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. If you don't understand how to do a backtest, you'll also get a full step-by-step backtesting plan. Sign up right now and get over $450 worth of bonuses all for free. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Backtesting strategy. Let's start the backtest. You can see on your screen when I'm doing the backtest with this indicator. You can use TraderEdge to do the backtest. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio with 2% of risk for single trade. We will do the test on EUR/USD with 5-minute time frame. Let's discuss about the backtesting result of this strategy. Backtesting result. But before that, please support this video by giving a like and subscribing to the channel. I will always give you a free trading strategy in this channel. Now, we can see the result of this strategy. The trend line by LuxAlgo has 59 profit rate and 41 loss rate. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, this strategy has 59% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 6 trades in a row and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account starts from $1,000 and has 95% account growth. So, our last balance is $1,950. Conclusion. This is the conclusion and why I love this price action indicator. This indicator is on our rank 6 of our strategy list. This makes this indicator is worth to use. So that's all about my favorite price action on TradingView. Thank you for watching our video. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to this channel and please support. Disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club that create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video and have a good day everyone!